Welcome back to Solo Sail Away. This is Coby coming back at you with another vlog. Today we're diving into a battle of the cruise giants, Virgin Voyages versus Royal Caribbean. Which one rules the seas? Let's find out. Welcome aboard, travelers. Today we're comparing two of the most popular cruise lines, Virgin Voyages, known for its adults-only ultra-modern vibes, and Royal Caribbean, a family-friendly mega liner with all the thrills. Virgin Voyages feels like a floating boutique hotel, sleek, sexy, and Instagram ready. Royal Caribbean, on the other hand, is all about grandeur, with water slides, ice rinks, and Broadway shows on board. Virgin Voyages ditches the buffet for over 20 unique dining spots. All included, Royal Caribbean still has buffets, but also fine dining like Chop's Grill and Jamie's Italian. Want Broadway caliber shows and ziplines? Royal's got you. Prefer edgy drag brunches and immersive nightlife? That's Virgin's game. Virgin focuses heavily on the Caribbean and Europe, often with overnights at beach clubs. Royal sails everywhere, including Asia and Alaska. Virgin may cost a bit more upfront, but it includes tips, Wi-Fi, and group workouts. Royal is a la carte, cheaper at first, but extras add up. So who wins? It depends. Virgin Voyages is perfect for adults craving something new and luxe. Royal Caribbean is ideal for families and thrill seekers. You really can't go wrong. But tell me, which one would you choose? If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more cruise and travel content. Want help booking your next cruise? Check out the link in the description.